In this video, we're going to look at how we can compare graphs. So we have three lines or three graphs shown here. They all have different gradients and different y-intercepts. They also intersect each other in different places. And we need to be able to talk about these and what they mean. So first of all, we need to be able to understand our graphs in context. Now, if this is graphing pizza and delivery prices, then we need to understand what our graphs are showing. Along the x-axis here, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, represent the number of pizzas we're buying. The y-axis is going up a lot faster, and it's showing the total price. Now we need to remember, what do the equations for each of these lines look like? So the general linear equation is y equals mx plus c. And in this case, I'm actually going to rewrite it because we have a t for our y-axis and a p for our x-axis. So we could write this as t equals mp plus c. So we need to be able to understand, what do each of these variables represent? We know that this here is the gradient, and this here is the y-intercept, but they must actually mean something. So m is how much our line is changing, how much it goes across. For every one pizza, how much higher does it go? Another pizza, it goes up again. The gradient in this case must be the price per pizza. The y-intercept is a starting spot. So if we buy no pizzas, we still have to pay $15 here, or $20 here, or $40 here. So our y-intercept, our c, must be the delivery cost. Now that we know this, what do each of the lines tell us about the options for buying the cheapest pizza? Well, the lower down your line is, the lower the total cost is, and so the cheaper it is to buy pizzas from that company. So here we have a red company, and it has the cheapest delivery price, and up until you buy 3 pizzas, which is this line here, the red company is going to be the cheapest because they actually cross over with the blue here at 2.5 pizzas. So as soon as you get more than 2 pizzas, so you get 3 or more, it's now the blue line that is at the bottom, and that continues all the way up to here. Now if we draw a line from 7 pizzas, you can see 7 pizzas is on this side, 6 pizzas is on this side, and so right up between 3 and 6 pizzas, the blue company is the cheapest. Once they've intersected with the green company, we can see even though they have the highest delivery cost, because their gradient is the lowest for every one pizza, they actually have a cheaper price per pizza. And so once you're buying 7 or more pizzas, then they are the cheapest company to go with, even though they have a higher delivery cost. So in the assessment, what you'll be doing is you'll be drawing these graphs, plus using tables and their equations to come up with the best options for a given context. So in this case, it's buying pizza. In the context of your assessment, it might be something different. But you can look at the graphs, talk about what the axes mean, what the slope means, and talk about the best option given certain scenarios.